Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Run a region device placement audit and export impressions, clicks, and revenue so you have baseline CPMs. Once done, validate that tracking pixels and tags fire consistently and dedupe rules are applied. This avoids inflated metrics. Make sure to segment by placement and exclude test traffic. Then prioritize high impression, low CPM placements for quick bid and floor adjustments, so changes show impact within 1 to 3 campaign cycles. You now execute the complex middle steps to reshape CPM sustainably. Start targeted bid adjustments, raise bids for high-value audiences, and lower dynamic floors in underperforming geos. Simultaneously run a /B tests on creatives and placements, and enable viewability targeting and frequency caps to improve quality. Once you collect 14 days of data, analyze lift by cohort, then apply lookalike expansions and day parting where conversion rates spike. Make sure to iterate on device-specific bids and you finish by locking wins and adding safeguards. Scale combinations that reduced CPM while preserving ROI, set automated bid rules, and finalize optimized floor prices. Once done, create dashboards to monitor CPM trends, ROI, and anomaly alerts, and configure automatic rollback triggers for sudden spikes. If CPMs remain odd, troubleshoot by backtesting prior settings and re-auditing tracking to eliminate data skew or duplicated events. Finally, make sure to document changes and schedule weekly reviews so small regressions are caught early.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.